welcome back to Inktoberfest. So today I have a really cool hack for you, as I mentioned, and that's about using layering stamps with just one color, because I know we all love layering stamps and we all love buying all of those amazing colors, but sometimes you don't have that in your budget, or maybe you don't have the right color. So I'm going to be showing you how to hack it and do an amazing job with just one color of ink, and maybe a black outline if you really, really want to. So I'm going to grab out one of my favorite black inks, which is here. This is my amalgam that we inked up earlier during Inktoberfest. So I'm going to grab my tag, and we are on day number 29. My goodness, where is this month gone? Okay, so I'm using the Majestic Bloom stamp set, and I have my Worn Lipstick Distress ink. Okay, so I'm going to ink up my base layer. So this is my first layer of layering ink, of layer. And I'm going to take a piece of scrap, and I'm going to stamp lightly once, lightly twice, and this one needs to go on its side. I'm going to press down, and I have a really nice light colour. So that's that. Now we're going to go to our next one, which I think is this one. And again, I'm going to ink up with my Worn lipstick. And I'm not doing full stamps on my scrap. I'm just doing one. And then line it up. You know me, I'm an approximate liner upper. Press down, lift up. So you see you've already got some of that shading in. I'm going to lift this up so you can see my finger there. Why is that not working for you? There we go. So you can see there. So you can see I've already got some shading in. And now I'm going to grab my next one, which is here. Again, back on my acrylic block. And this time I'm going to ink up with Worn lipstick. And I'm not going to stamp off. I'm just going to go straight down. Thereabouts. Look at that. Look how awesome that is. I mean, you really couldn't get any better. And then I'm finally going to go in with my outline. And I'm going to do that in black. You could get into a 4th generation with one color is a bit tough. But I mean, if you had a stronger red, you could definitely do that. And then you can, fill out the centers and things. I'm not going to do all of that now, but I'm just going to add some of that detail. Or you could do it with a light gray. But I mean, look, I have all of those shades in there. There we go. That's a good way to show you. So you can see that. How cool does that look? I have 3 shades in there with just one ink pad, which I think is just an awesome idea. So you want to stamp off twice lightly with your first run. And then you want to stamp off once and then not stamp off at all. So we're going to call this the layering ink hack. One shade, which is Worn lipstick. So really easy to do. But look at that. I just absolutely love this hack. And if you want to find out more of my hacks, if you love this one, there's more details on it and a more in-depth tutorial over in our Essentials to Card Making class, which has like 30-something videos in it. There is tons and tons of content in there. Everything from layering tips to different layering sizes to A4 versus 8.5 by 11. All of those amazing things. So you can hop on over. We'll add links in the description, of course, and you can check it out in the blog post as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's tip. We have 2 more for you, and they are definitely 2 you do not want to miss. So join me again tomorrow for Inktoberfest. I'll see you then. Bye.